So the purpose of this video is to inform you that your mileage may vary with these carburetors. Okay, I wasn't trying to, mislead anybody or anything with the last video about this. It's honestly, it's a pretty good carburetor, but your mileage may vary. You're buying cheap shit. I hate to tell you, but it's not built to last. I feel like it's fucking common sense. I wouldn't have to say this shit, but here I am. So yeah, again, I wasn't trying to mislead anybody with this. It's just my experiences and my problems that I ran into using it. Okay, fuck you, bye. Well, here she sits. And where she fuck! Hold on. Where she shits, she farts. Fuck, man. Ruined the fucking joke. I missed the opportunity when I was recording it. It wasn't even funny, actually. Never mind. Okay, back to the video. Well, has been sitting. Caked up on a Thursday afternoon. Hella ass. Needs a good wash. I don't know if I can wash that though, because I didn't cover it. Yeah, I'm kind of stupid for that one, but fuck it. I mean, just buy a new engine. Oh well. I've also robbed the gas tank off of it for some odd reason. I don't fucking remember why. Let's discuss why it's been sitting for a year. Here's the issue. This right here, this little part. This is what they call a float. And what this does is this thing sits. This thing sits in this bowl. This is where the fuel will sit. And this thing sits in there like this, and it can pivot up and down. Now on this little tab, there will be a needle, and it'll go into this orifice and plug it when it reaches a certain level. Problem is, as you can see here, I've hack solder job the already hacked solder job. Okay, so I didn't explicitly state this, but I want to make this very clear. The float bowl chamber thing fell off, like broke off inside of the bowl for no damn reason. There you go. And fixed that, and it lasted for maybe a week. And then unfortunately, I don't even fucking know what you call this thing. The ball sack started filling up with water or gas. This is the problem, and of course you're not gonna find another one. The other issue, which is not as significant in my opinion, this thing isn't that bad. It really isn't. Okay, anyways. The other problem, besides the float, is the pilot jet. For some reason, it takes like standard Mikuni main jets, but the other one is like, it doesn't for some fucking reason. I don't even. It's actually not that bad of a carburetor. It's just the float bowl shit out, and you can't buy another one. And if you can, it's probably better off if you just buy another cheap ripoff. Oh, don't worry, she's already warm. So I switched out the carburetor to the stock carburetor. Pulled it a couple times to make sure that it'll chug, and it's been primed, so we'll see what happens now. Hasn't been started in a year, and I just rubbed the balls off of it, so that's how it goes. All right, well, now that she runs, let's give her a good wash with this old bad girl, little dirty girl, little dirty girl. plan going forward is just to cave in and buy a genuine Mikuni carburetor. Because the second one that I bought, yes, I bought a fucking second one, came out of the box with fucking float issues. I was pretty broke, and I'm still broke. And honestly, let's get into this too. This has kind of been the reason for the lack of uploads. It's not that I don't have the time or the willpower. I'm kind of just broke. It's kind of a complex matter. Well, it's not really. It's you know that stage in life where you're trying to figure your shit out, and you're not really good at anything, but just like tinkering shit in your garage. That's kind of the stage where I'm at. You know, I was actually realizing that as I bought this fine piece of Chinese plastic, a iPhone tripod mount. I was walking through the aisles and consumerism hit me. I saw it and I was like, wow, I could use that for my YouTube videos and get rid of this shitty fucking GoPro that really fucking sucks ass with shit quality. The worst video I've ever seen on a fucking expensive camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna make a video, and here I am. I've been up all night and I've decided, well, let's record this video. Let's let the subscribers know, all 25 or how many subscribers do I have? In terms of future projects, of course, we're going to do something with this. Maybe blow the engine up. No, I'm still broke, so let's not do that. Also, this Razor scooter gas conversion project that I did a long time ago. I have a Honda GX motor that's a vertical that may fit in there. No, hypothetically, maybe I might work on that. Or hell, maybe if it doesn't fit, maybe I'll just modify the chassis a little bit and throw it in like a 420cc. Let's put a 420cc on that thing. It's very underpowered, honestly. It's got a 79cc in it right now, and the gearing is really shit too. It was my first project. I wanted it to go fast, not really accelerate fast. Let me know what you guys want to see. Leave some suggestions. If I still have an audience at this point, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Come on. Give Daddy some suggestions. My ass is probably fucking wet. Isn't that? Oh, it's actually not.